Make a great choice today with 2021 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season, LED headlights, tires, rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.